Hey everyone, this is a quick review of the 18-liter Instant Omni Plus toaster oven and air fryer. This thing is great for all-around kitchen tasks. It can really speed up your cook time, and it's good for toasting, air frying, and even rotisserie time. You can also fit casserole dishes and other things on top of this too. So this is what I generally use for the air frying configuration. You can configure these accessories however you need to. There's also a removable crumb tray for easy cleanup. This is especially nice when you've done a rotisserie and it's dripped all over here. This cleans really easily. Just pull it right out and wash it off in the sink and pop it back in. Now on the door, there are also a couple reminders for where to set the rack height for different modes. So if you're broiling, you set it up higher. Right now I've got it on air fry and toast mode. And then down here you've got roast, baking, warming, reheating, and dehydrating. You've just got one knob that can rotate and be pushed in. And when you push it in, you get your touchscreen options. So these are all touchscreen. The menu right here, you can pick your mode: air fry, roast, broil, bake, warm, reheat, toast, and dehydrate. So just to give you a list of a few of the things that I've done with this: toast, obviously, vegetables, it roasts them really fast with convection mode. It did these parsnips in 15 minutes, which is amazing because I usually do it for 25 in the oven. I've also done French fries. Obviously, that's why everyone gets an air fryer, right? They come out crispy and golden and delicious. You can also take any of the frozen goodies like pizza rolls, other things like that, and put them in this instead of the microwave, and they will come out crispy instead of soggy, which makes them so much better. And I think one of the most impressive features of this oven is it can do a rotisserie chicken up to 4 pounds. You just truss the chicken up, put the spit through it. It's got a 4-prong spit. It's an upgrade of some of the older models. It holds the chicken better. Get it centered, and then pop it in here after putting your oil and rub on it. And an hour later at 400, you've got a delicious rotisserie chicken that is juicy on the inside and crispy skin on the outside. So overall, I think this Instant Omni Plus is an excellent addition to the kitchen. It's really helpful when you've got something else in your main oven. You can throw some side dishes in here, or you can cook your entire dinner in here if you want. It's really versatile, really great appliance.